are going to love the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, security system, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.